There he is. Nice. Oh, what's up, bro? What's going on? Look what we got here.
Not even out loud, Cody.
That's it?
Smell that unburnt.
Oh, I smell that. Oh, it's so good. No cats, baby.
Catless mids.
What long tubes in?
BBKs.
BBKs with catless, eh?
Downtown knows like
God darn it!
I'm working on the car and the neighbor comes out, she's like, so it's not gonna be louder, is it?
It's freaking loud. Shit, dude. Oh my god. Here we go. Dude, it's so loud, man.
It's loud, eh?
How is it in the cabin?
It's not bad. You gotta go past, like, have it bounce off something around you.
Yeah.
Like, you can hear it,
Yeah.
but it's not like when we drove across here and I was behind, it was like,
Yeah.
but it's still.
It's good that your tips go past your body, like the body.
Yeah, there's no resonation.
Yeah. Can you put your away?
It's all right, I guess.
You got those tips on, nice.
Hey, for the record, I went 5-inch steps first.
You did. Lots of labor. Yeah, there they are. You guys see that? Seems like American racing is the one to go. Go ahead, man. Jeez.
See how nice it accelerates?
Different car completely.
Yeah, it is. It is. So American Racing long tube headers.
2-inch. It's from a Hellcat.
It's from a Hellcat?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the same part numbers from the Hellcat. I did this like many years ago
Yeah.
on my own personal car. That's why I know it. We can do it.
And
I
you
just
guys
went off for it.
And you guys tuned it as well?
Full
Nice.
tune, ready to go.
I just don't offer it.
391 rear end from a Challenger,
Mm-hmm.
manual, 6-speed.
Wow. All in one package, eh? That sounds like a deal. It's like combo number 1, man. That's
A lot
awesome.
of guys don't do this. Like they don't do this shit. The Gen 1 world is dead.